Hello, welcome to Autopilot at Work, where we automate boring stuff to free up your time. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download images from Excel file into a specific folder on your computer using UiPath and VBA. So this is the Excel sheet with images we are going to use today. We are going to download these images into a folder. To do this, we are going to use UiPath Studio to run a VBA script. So this is the VBA script. So VBA, or Visual Basic for Applications, is a language developed by Microsoft. In this script, we are looping through each shape object and then check if the type is a vector image. If it is, then we give a name to the image and then we save it in a JPG file in a specific folder that we specify here. So let's run this VBA script in UiPath Studio. First, we created a sequence here and I renamed the sequence as abstract images. And then the first activity I need is the Excel application scope. And then I'll get the Excel file for this video. And this is the sample Excel file that we are going to use. And then the next thing we need is an activity to invoke the VBA script. So we need an activity called invoke VBA. Since we're using classic activity, we're going to use the invoke VBA activity from the classic. And then here we need to get the path of the VBA script. We browse the file. So I named the VBA scripts as abstract images. And then here we need to update the method name. By default, it was named main, but in the script, we named it abstract images. So I need to update it. So I replaced main with abstract images and then save. And that's it. That's how you can run invoke VBA activity in UiPath Studio to run the VBA script. And let's run the script. And that's it. It's pretty quick, and we don't have many images to download. And here you can see these are the images that we have downloaded from the Excel file. And pretty much it. This is how you can download images from Excel using UiPath and VBA. If you want to learn how you can use UiPath to do other Excel tasks, please check out my other videos. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching today. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automation tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. For any questions or feedback, leave a comment below or reach out through our social media channels. Until next time, keep automating and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.